How to fix add yours not working on Instagram mobile on Android and iPhone. This is same as. So first of all, we can check. Just click to the your stories options and then just choose something, and then here you can see add yours options is not showing. So if you want to fix this, just scroll up and you can see add yours options is showing there. So if you don't find this, so just uninstall and reinstall your app, and then just turned on and turned off your Wi-Fi or mobile data, and then if this not work, then restart your device, and then you will see these kinds of add yours options. You can write something or add pictures or like that. So that's the process I can fix add yours not working on Instagram mobile. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.